this would hopefully empower you to expand how you can use your essential oil so that they don't expire on you because it's such a waste. There's so much plant material in producing these oils. So hopefully this segment would really help you have a better relationship with your essential. Hey everyone, this is Balot El Rosario from www.callmebalot.com and your certified aromatherapist behind Lanolin Aromatherapy. Today, I'm so excited to share with you that I'm launching a new segment on my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/callmebalot, and that is discussing essential oils twice a month so that we can empower you more in getting to know um, more about your essential oils and how to use them to expand your blending practice. And I have been planning this for a while, but I haven't really gotten to record videos or sit down and do it like this. But I guess it's high time for me to do this because I know there's a lot of students who are taking courses. And not only that, there's a lot of people now who are using essential oils, and sometimes they would only know one specific therapeutic action or a purpose for that oil. So this would hopefully empower you to expand how you can use your essential oil so that they don't expire on you because it's such a waste. There's so much plant material in producing these oils. So hopefully this segment would really help you have a better relationship with your essential oils. And I would like to kickstart this segment with, of course, my favorite essential oil. And my students would laugh at me because they know what it is. It's not something which is very commonly loved by a lot of people. Um, and that is la, la, patchouli essential oil. So I always have this with me, beside me, where my workstation is, because whenever I feel like I'm all over here, I need something to like pull me down to my core and to my roots, so that I will feel grounded. I think this oil really represents me. Not a lot, not all would like patchouli, and but it's very earthy. The it's a really heavy oil, and it's something that I feel is representative of who I am as a person. So heavy daw ako. Anyway, so our first essential oil for February is patchouli, which is something that I really love. And I'll be sharing more about the plant and the oil in this slide. So the Latin name for patchouli is Pugastimum cablin, and it's steam distilled from the leaves of the plant. And it's a base note, which means it's a really heavy oil with a heavy aroma and with a heavy texture. So it's thick. It mostly comes from India and Indonesia. That it can last 6 to 8 years or even more. In terms of energetics and therapeutic action, patchouli balances an overactive mind, and this is what resonates with me a lot. Because as I said, I'm always in my head, so I need a little bit of balance to like pull me down. So one of the things that a lot of people do not know about patchouli and even myself is that it's really good for skin or wound healing. So it's good for the skin, and it's also helpful for the nervous system, especially stress related conditions. And it comes to the mind of worry. So kaya siguro siya nag-resonate with me because I'm such a worrier. and and I was really prone to stress. I get stressed when I feel like there's a lot of things that I need to do, and that is why I feel like this oil is very, very grounding. And in fact, a lot of oils that I like are really, really grounding oils. I also love vetiver. I also love sandalwood. So maybe it's because of this personality of mine. So there. Now that you know that it's good for the skin and it's a really good cicatrizant, we will be doing an insect bite blend. So patchouli is kid safe. So you can use it for your kids. Oops, for your kids more than 2 years old, which is the age which I usually would recommend parents to start with topical application. Um, so it's safe for kids more than 2 years old, and the insect bite blend that I've made for you is one drop cedarwood atlas. So this is Cedrus atlantica, one drop patchouli, one drop lavender in 10 ml carrier oil of your choice, such as argan or fractionated coconut oil or jojoba. So you can apply this on their skin. So that is a very short sharing about my favorite oil. Um, let me know if let me know what you think about patchouli and what blends you make with it. And also let me know in the comments if there are any specific oils that you'd like us to delve a little bit into in terms of characteristics and um, properties. And before I end, I wasn't able pala to share with you how it really smells like. I I'm a little bit not comfortable doing scent tests because my nose is really, really weird. As you can see, I love weird oils. And but just to give you um based on what I a lot of people, it's a very specific characteristic, aromatic characteristic for patchouli. And this is and how it is. It's petrichor. So this is the smell of the soil or wet earth. So the smell of the earth after the rain. So yung usbong ng lupa after umulan. Pagkatapos umulan. So that's really how it smells like. And I really, really love that smell. It reminds me so much when I was young. I was in the province. There's a lot of not a lot of cemented areas around us, so it's really soil. And this reminds me of a time when summer going na to the rainy season around May or June, and it would rain, and we would. I really was seriously like the memory that it brings to me is me um watching over the window, watching the rain and smelling the earth. And I really, really love those moments. So emo type, emotional moment for what 6, 7 years old. So so that is how patchouli smells like. So if you love that smell, go ahead and get some patchouli. If you don't like it, maybe it will grow on you, maybe not. Maybe you can get a tackle blend so that you just can try this oil so that you'll know a little bit of its profile. But in any case, this is my favorite oil. My students call me patchouli teacher. And again, thank you so much for tuning in. As I said, if you have any recommendation as to the next oil that we will be featuring, do hit me up in the comments. And I wish that you like this segment. I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.